What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the Vivo X90 series smartphone, and the launch date has been revealed of these smartphones via a leaked promo video and the first looks of these smartphones too. So before getting this video, if you're new here then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing, talking about its launch date, then in China, the phone is launching on 22nd November and it will be revealed at 7 p.m. at its local time, and we'll be covering throughout all of the specifications and detail of the smartphones series 2. Now moving forward, what we also know about it, some of its specifications and also the display and what you can expect from this mega camera smartphone setup. So let's find out. Starting off with the camera, you will be getting a major gimbal setup in this smartphone with the primary camera and also the ultra wide lens too. Well, there won't be a very much higher of a telephoto camera in the smartphone, or you can expect a periscope camera, but the gimbal stabilization will be going into the next generation of the stabilization too. Vivo has earlier revealed its Vivo V2 chipset for the image processing for the camera upgrades in this smartphone, and a one-chin sensor will indeed make the photos and videos look much more better than the Vivo X90 series 2. Well, moving forward, apart from that, the design camera hump with this time is going to be a huge one, and just like the last year too, and the design is coming very unique with the leatherette back on this smartphone too, which we have seen earlier smartphones from the Vivo too. Well, moving forward about its display, then the display of the smartphone is again going to be one of its kind, as the display will be coming with for the Vivo X90 Pro Plus. It will be featuring a 6.78 inch of a Samsung E6 AMOLED panel, and it will also be having a curved edges to offer a 2K resolution, and not only that, a 120Hz of high refresh rate too. Well, it will also be coming with a 1440 Hz of high frequency dimming chip for supporting eye protection features too in this smartphone. Well, that might be a lot of technical things about this smartphone and its display, but not only that, the battery capacity is also going to be decent one at 5000 mAh battery, and you will be getting a fast charging of up to 120 watts of fast charge in the smartphone series 2. Well, now talking about the processors, then the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be coming with the X90 Pro Plus, and the vanilla X90 and the X90 Pro might be coming with a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset. And we have also done a comparison between the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. You can also find that card above for the same and also in the description below. And what do you think about these smartphones? If you like this video and the leaks and rumors which we cover on daily basis, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.